The book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Overview of the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a practical, no nonsense guide to personal finance specifically designed for millennials and young professionals. Unlike traditional finance books that focus on cutting laths and budgeting every penny, Ramit Sethi introduces a system based approach to managing money with automation, conscious spending, and long term investments. Key lessons and insights. Lesson 1. Stop feeling guilty about spending, instead, create a conscious spending plan. Ramit argues that the traditional budgeting approach fails because it makes people feel deprived. Instead of cutting every expense, prioritize spendings on things you love while cutting ruthlessness on things that don't matter. Example, if you love traveling, allocate money for trips but cut down on unused subscriptions. Lesson 2. Automate your money. A rich life should be effortless. Set up automatic transfers so your money is saved and invested before you ever see it. Automate bills, credit card, rent, savings, emergency fund, vacations, investments, retirement index funds. Example, if you automate a $100 monthly investment, you're building wealth passively. Lesson 3. Use the 85% solution. Start now, improve later. You don't need perfect knowledge to start investing or saving. Just take action. Getting started is more important than being perfect. Lesson 4. Get rid of debt strategically. Focus on paying off high interest debt first. Credit cards, personal loans. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball, pay the smallest debt first for motivation. Avalanche, pay the highest interest first to save the money. Example, if you have credit card debt with 20% interest, pay it off before investing. Lesson 5. Optimize the credit cards for free rewards. Use rewards credit cards responsibly to get cashback, travel points, and perks. Golden rule. Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest. Lesson 6. The best investment strategy, index funds and long term growth. Instead of stock picking, invest in low cost index funds like S&P 500 ETFs. Key recommendation, invest yearly, invest often, and ignore the market noise. A $500 month investment in an index fund can grow 1 million over time. Lesson 7. The 6-week Rich Life Plan. Ramit's step-by-step system. Week 1. Optimize the credit card and eliminate the fees. Week 2. Set up no-fee bank account and automate the bill payments. Week 3. Start a no-excuse investing plan. 401k Roth IRA index funds. Week 4. Figure out your conscious spending. What you splurge or cut. Week 5. Automate your money. Bills, savings, investments. Week 6. Learn to negotiate higher salaries and better deals. Lesson 8. Earn more. Negotiation is the ultimate wealth building tool. Negotiating a higher salary is one of the fastest way to get rich. Tips for salary negotiation. Research market salary data. Practice your script. Show how your work adds value. Don't accept the first offer. A 5,000 salary increase today can add up to 1 million over your career. Notable quotes. Spend extravagantly on the things you love and cut costs mercilessly on the things you don't. Emphasizes guilt-free spending on what truly matters. To automate your money so you can spend time on things that actually make you happy. Encourages hassle-free wealth building. Third, most people think they don't need to be perfect to start investing. That's a mistake. Just get started. Stresses the importance of action over perfection. For the biggest barrier to wealth is not lack of knowledge, it's inaction. Highlight why many fail at financial freedom. And 5. A single salary negotiation can earn you more than 10 years of trying to cut coffee expenses. Focus on increasing the income rather than just cutting small expenses. Actionable points. Automate your savings and investments so you're building wealth without thinking. Negotiate everything from salaries to credit card fees. Use reward credit cards smartly for free travel and perks. Follow the 6-week plan to take control of your finances step by step. Invest in index funds rather than trying to pick stocks. Focus on earning more than just cutting expenses.